What's going on, guys? eBibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So, had a crazy mishap. Dropped my phone. Well, really, I didn't. I don't know what happened. But either way, I got this green line showing up on my screen here. And what this is causing is basically I lose functionality of touching my screen. And with this only having 3 buttons, which is power, volume rockers, and, well, didn't mean to do that, but power and volume rockers. That's it. I'm relying on this touchscreen, and a lot of times, because this green line has constantly gotten worse, it's led me to having to basically replace this thing. And I'm not buying a new phone. But I'm gonna fix this one, all with the help of iFixit. So I'll show you what's in the box and let's get going. By the way, I've never done this before, so I'm learning on the fly. And I recommend, if you don't have the guts for it, don't try this at home. Let's go. All right, so we have the iPhone here. As you can see, it's on. And check it out. Here's the issue. It's the green line. So let's turn this sucker off. That does not go away, whether you turn it on or off. Well, until the screen is actually powered off. That's the only way you can tell that it's gone. But this actually happened while using the Apple case. So you can't say, oh, you're using a third-party case, this and that and the other. It's beat up. It's a traditional iPhone 10, and look how glossy that thing is because it's been in the case since I've owned it. So we are going to use this kit from iFixit. It's beautiful packaging. Look at this. Comes with your full repair tools. Quality parts, huh? So this is a new screen. And it all consists of there you have it. So that's your new iPhone 10 screen with all the bells and whistles, and don't even know what that is, but it's in the pack. So we're gonna use it. First thing we want to do is remove the 2 screws here. And I'm basically following along the iFixit guide I got off the screen here. So like I said before, this is my first time doing this. So I don't really know what I'm doing. But I bought the full kit that iFixit offers, with the exception of the eye opener. It was out of stock, so I got the next best thing, being that anybody that know anything about sports and me having a busted Achilles, a reusable hot cold pack. So that's basically what an eye opener is. You heat it up and you put it on top of your iPhone or whatever. And I got that, and you can tell it's hot. So. And yes, this is my daily driver, so if it gives up the ghost, I am out of a phone. So here's what an eye opener looks like. And here's what a hot cold pack looks like. We'll let that sit. Basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to soften the adhesion. That's probably what this is. I think it's an adhesion strip. So we're trying to soften this black stuff that goes around the screen so we don't break anything when we're trying to open it up. Oh, so they have another part that I did not buy. It's called the eye shellac. And it looks like this. It's basically like a 2-part suction cup tool. I didn't buy it because I have plenty of suction cups, because I've done plenty of repairs and installs. It's Apple related. All right, we should be good and softened. So instead of the eye shellac, which is a 2-part suction cup, I have what came into the this tool, which is the single suction cup. And what I'm gonna do is just to give myself some leverage, use another suction cup. There we go. And there you have it. I'm going to take these screws out. As always, keep your stuff in order. Man, these things are tiny. One. Two. And there are different lengths too, so make sure you map this stuff out. There's one under the ribbon. You want to make sure you grab that one. Small boy. All right, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, right? Take that little bracket off. Pull that out. Oh, do not disassemble this. That is your camera. That's your facial recognition camera and your all your good stuff. You see that's missing there. So we'll be transferring this to that. So do not disassemble that. Take that back. The directions say to carefully pull this adhesive off and lift her up. Oop. We don't want to pinch her. Just want to lift her up out of there. And boom. Look at that. Slide her up. All right. So you have a tiny screw here. with a grounding piece. You'll see this in the notes. Definitely want to make sure you pay attention to that. Came off as one piece. The other two screws are on their own. responsive. So before I couldn't even swipe down on this corner. Couldn't get my notifications up. Oh yeah, she's responsive. Shout out to iFixit. That's dope. As we were. So that was a pretty difficult one, guys. So needless to say, we are back in business without the green line, and I couldn't be more happier with the response of this thing. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Shout out to iFixit. They're not a sponsor of this channel or of this video, but I did use the guide and I did use the products that they offer. They have a ton of things that for the DIYer, such as myself, to get things done and to take control of your life, because it's about that remote life, guys. So until next time, we are out of here. If you haven't hit that thumbs up, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And while you're right beside the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, guys. All right, so it really helped the channel out, and I want to keep bringing this more content to you guys, just things like that and things of the other. Whatever did that mean? Anyway, I want to keep bringing stuff to you guys. I got a lot of stuff planned, but I need to know, do you like it? Do you hate it? Subscribe. Until next time, guys, we out of here. Peace.